Welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. Working in Ireland provides international employees with several chances and incredible benefits. First, the opportunity to work in an inclusive workplace with visa sponsorship positions. Do you want to learn more about these advantages? Continue reading to learn about factory jobs in Ireland with visa sponsorship. Ireland visa sponsorship employment allows aspiring foreigners to join the expanding workforce and contribute to its rapid growth. As a result, experienced manufacturing workers are needed in many service-providing sectors in Ireland to fill vacancies and ensure optimal output. In this essay, we will concentrate on the numerous factory jobs in Ireland that are available with visa sponsorship. We will also cover the advantages of working in Ireland as a foreigner, as well as explore the numerous job search sites for factory employment in Ireland. But first, let's take a look at the Irish talent shortage situation and how the Irish government is dealing with it. Ireland and labor shortage saga. Ireland is a stunning island country in Western Europe, endowed with breathtaking beauty and a rich cultural past. Ireland is a popular tourist destination for both domestic and foreign visitors. Furthermore, Ireland's moderate rain and snowfall, combined with warm temperatures, make it an appealing destination for both international employees and tourists. However, Ireland, like the UK, has temperate temperatures but frequently experiences various variations in weather in less than a few hours. However, if you learn more about Ireland, you will comprehend the exact description of a small yet powerful country as expressed by Business News. What are factory jobs? Factory jobs are those that are performed in a factory. It could be a building site or an industrial plant. As a result, these positions demand individuals to have a certain talent that is related to the task at hand. Furthermore, factory workers may be required to execute multiple job functions in the plant. His may include responsibilities such as sorting and inspecting things after they have been manufactured, as well as assembling and packing products. Visa sponsorship factory jobs in Ireland. The following is a list of the most common factory jobs in Ireland, as well as the projected annual average wage based on Indeed, Glassdoor, and skills. Factory cleaner, factory electrician, factory operation lead, factory manager, visual merchandiser, project worker, production operator, production associate, machine operator, production worker, assembler, packer, manufacturing operator, manufacturing team member, warehouse operator, production operator, packaging and factory manager. These are just a few of the most prevalent factory jobs in Ireland that require a visa. However, some of these occupations may be sector-specific, such as those in the pharmaceutical industry. Thus, the duties for these roles vary substantially depending on the industry. How to apply for visa sponsorship factory jobs in Ireland. Here's how to apply for a factory job in Ireland with visa sponsorship, step by step. 1. Get a job offer. The first stage in obtaining visa sponsorship in Ireland is to obtain a job offer from a qualified employer that offers visa sponsorship to non-EE individuals. You can proceed with your work permit application once you have received an official job offer. Two, apply for an employment work permit. Qualified foreigners can apply for many sorts of work permits in Ireland. However, the most common are this permit is intended for highly skilled professionals in the following professions: engineering, science, healthcare, research, and so on. The general employment visa is provided to individuals who apply for jobs that are not on the list of skilled occupations or ineligible occupations. This permit is intended for applicants who have a family with vital skills employment permits in Ireland. 3. Begin the application process. Once you've decided on the ideal visa permission for your trip, in this example, the general employment permit, you may begin the application process. To do so, go to the Employment Permits online system EPOS application page and fill out the required documents. A passport that has been confirmed, evidence of official employment, Employer and sponsor information, your entire name, age, height, and any pertinent information, a copy of your SOAP or personal statement detailing the reason for your trip, financial statement proof, specifics regarding your expected pay, complete information about your job. 4. Submit your application. You will be required to pay an application fee before you can submit your application. Once you've uploaded the relevant document, do a cross-check to eliminate any potential errors or discrepancies. You may proceed with submission if you are certified. Please keep in mind that you must apply for an employment permit at least 12 weeks before the start of your anticipated employment start date. The best recruitment agencies in Ireland for visa sponsorship jobs. The following are the top visa sponsorship recruitment agencies in Ireland: Approach People Recruitment, Storm Recruitment, Action Recruitment, Word Personnel, Allen Recruitment, Clark. Websites to find visa sponsorship factory jobs in Ireland: LinkedIn Ireland, Irish Jobs, Glassdoor, Monster, Indeed, Jubal, Simply Hired, CareerJet. Reads. Factory jobs do not require any special skills, so you can relocate to Ireland with a general employment permit and an official job offer. With visa sponsorship and the many sorts of visa permits accessible for foreign workers, we have given top industrial jobs in Ireland. So, we hope this information assists you in making the best decision for your career progression journey.